doing? Christy. Oh yeah. Nice. Nice.
Great job.
What's going on here?
Oh.
Good. Okay. Good job.
Yep, definitely have.
What? That's the second one I think.
You got hunger.
You never heard anybody complain about catching fish. What's going on here?
Oh, there's one.
Kingler. Nice. Your pole's supposed to be good. Oh my god. You get thrown overboard, you lose this one, just to let you know.
Lift up, lift up, lift up.
Oh, yes.
Nice.
Nice fish.
There we go.
Go ahead and open your bail. Open your bail.
That's a good size one.
That'll do.
There we go. Yeah. Come on, let's do it, Dad.
There's no doubt about it.
Real.
He's like, I'm trying. I'm trying. Good job, Taylor.
Yes.
You gotta know that by now.
Dang.
Nice one. Let's do.
All right.
Okay. A week and a half ago, we had 2 red snapper and 2 red grouper in the box at 130. At 245, we had 12 red.
There you go, Chris.
Oh yeah, he did too.
Nice. How many of those are yours, Christy? Big one? Just one big one? Not a bad haul. Not a bad gig.